Well, as you can see, we just made it to Lux Automotive up here in Salt Lake City. This is where I had my Raptor, my R8, and my wife's Tesla wrapped. And now we have the Bronco up here to get some work done by Lux Automotive. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do a full gloss PPF or a stealth PPF. So Lux was nice enough to install a little sample piece here for me, and I wanted to show you guys what you think. Here we have the gloss color. Obviously this is without any PPF film on it, but the gloss film would keep the same color, the same sheen. And then right here next to it, which looks so good, we have the xpel stealth. And again, it takes the factory color and gives it a satin finish, but also gives you the benefits of protecting the paint for off-road use and on-road use. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. Do you think I should go with the xpel stealth, or do you think I should keep it gloss and just do a clear gloss protective film over the whole Bronco? Comment below and let me know what you would do on yours. The team here at Lux is gonna pull the Bronco in back. They're gonna wash it, prep it, and get it ready to do the full xpel PPF wrap. Okay, Lux got the Bronco all washed up and prepped for the xpel wrap, and we just removed this front fender here. It was super easy. You just unclick a few of the tabs and pull the fender right off. But I'm gonna sit here and watch them install the first piece of xpel paint protection film, and then we're gonna leave it here for about a week, let them finish it up, and then we'll pick it up and see how it turns out.
Pre-cut allows us to move faster too.
So with pre-cut, it still goes around the edges and just kind of pre-cuts the panel so you don't waste as much material?
Yeah, so we design it so that the DAP system made by xpel, they design all the panels. However, for functionality and just for our preference, we like to extend all the edges.
And you can just do that in your system?
Mm-hmm. We can modify it to how we want it. That allows us to tuck in the edges and kind of make the film look like it's not even there.
You guys go through a lot of liquid.
Yeah.
So is this the Ultimate Plus, the 10 mil?
Yes, this is our thickest film that we have. So other than the other films, we have. This definitely shows more clarity and more gloss.
Which keeps that nice factory color showing through. Nice clean install around the edges. When I first got my Raptor, I went to a shop and they took the film to here and then just cut it with a knife.
Oh no.
And scratched my whole car.
Like I said before, we extend all the edges all the way around where we can. That way it has a seamless look to it. More like invisible.
Yeah.
Right here, I'm going to tuck all the edges right in there.
Right into the light?
Yep, right in deep as I can go.
Okay, so Sawyer just finished the install on the first panel in xpel Ultimate PPF. It looks awesome. He's not quite done. He still has to finish up some of the edges, but I've got to take off for the day. So we are going to leave the Bronco here for about a week. They're going to finish up the full paint protection film wrap on the entire car, and then we will come pick it up next week and show everyone what it looks like. All right, so the Bronco is still back at Lux, but we are walking just across the parking lot to Salty Gears Off-Road, and we're gonna go check out my new wheels and tires for the Bronco. What's up, Tony?
Not much. What's happening, Nate?
What's up, Tyler?
What's up, Nate?
Let's go check out my new wheels.
Let's do it, man.
You're over here pretending like you're working?
Trying to.
For the Bronco, we got a new set of Black Rhino wheels, and I haven't seen them yet, but you have.
I have.
What do you think of them?
They're pretty awesome, man. It's a nice color and a unique style, so it'll look good on there.
Oh, yes.
There you go.
So this is the brand new Black Rhino Alyssa wheel in gloss bronze in 17x8, and this is a 0 offset. So we're going to get these mounted on my new tires, which are also here. I'll show you the new tires over here. We went with the BF Goodrich KO2s. We're going to be doing a 35, 1250, 17, and we had to order 5 of them since we've got the spare on the back. So huge shout out to Salty Gears. You know, they've taken care of me with my Raptor, my Hummer, a lot of my friends' vehicles, and they can order just about any wheel and tire setup imaginable. So hit them up for all your wheel and tire needs. They mount and balance, they can do alignments, they can do everything. Tyler here is going to finish mounting and balancing my wheels and tires for the Bronco. I'm going to take off for the day, and that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you again to Lux Automotive and Salty Gears Off-Road. Thank you for always taking care of me. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.